This channel gets millions of views and earns tens of thousands of dollars a month. These people devote themselves to only one thing: creating motivational videos filled with dark aesthetics. Recently, this genre of content has become so popular that even ordinary online platforms similar to the one you are considering have built successful business models around it. My goal is to train you to create powerful motivational scenarios using GPT chat. Then I'll tell you how to use artificial intelligence tools to convert these scenarios into high-quality voiced files that will give your videos a professional touch. Finally, I will provide you with recommendations for finding and editing the perfect clips that will complement your content. Let's get started. Log into the GPT chat and ask the bot to create motivational quotes for future use. I used a chatbot to generate long motivational quotes. If they were not too extensive, repeat the query to see new results. If you are not pleased with what GPT chat creates, look for alternatives on the internet. In my case, the results were satisfactory. After that, head to 11 Labs and explore the diverse voice library to find the perfect voice for your videos. After a thorough search, I chose a voice that, in my opinion, perfectly matches the task at hand. You can find this voice profile by entering its name in the search bar or choose another one. After you have decided on a voice that meets your requirements, go to the speech synthesis section. Insert a quote from the GPT chat and click the Generate button. Allow artificial intelligence to create a voice file, and then upload it for future use. Now that we have a voiceover, it's time to pick up an exciting motivational video. To do this, go to the website pexels.com, where we are looking for stock videos of people doing workouts in the gym. This will help ensure the vertical orientation of the video. Adjust the orientation filter, carefully consider the options, and choose the video that best suits your preferences. Once you have found the perfect video, upload it to the program. Now that we have successfully collected all the necessary elements, it's time to dive deeper into the last stage of editing the clip. Let's start by opening the lid of creativity. Cut and import all the necessary fragments that you want to include in your project. Then drag the audio track with the voice into the sequence, eliminating long pauses in order to make the sound dynamic and exciting. After this important step, drag our selected video clips taken from Pexels into the project. Try the option of using multiple video clips to add variety and keep the audience's attention. Let's change the settings to create a dark effect. You can either experiment with the settings or just use the ones I'm going to suggest. Don't forget to repeat this process for each individual fragment included in your project. Now that we've created the foundation, it's time to experiment with different effects. Explore the available options, and when something suits your taste, just drag it over your video. Add colorful transitions, such as, for example, the transition to the left, to make the transition between scenes more exciting. Don't just limit yourself to transitions. Add motion animations by selecting the appropriate tab. I decided to use the animation of the pendulum one. But at this point, you can give free rein to your creativity. After completing the transitions and animations, it's time to move on to the next stage, adding captions. CapCut provides an amazing artificial intelligence tool for automatic signature creation. Go to the Text tab, click Create, and wait for the tool to automatically create signatures based on audio-video content. Including captions in a video is a great way to improve the viewer's perception and engage them by increasing the level of engagement. It is also important to pay attention to the appearance of signatures. Choose a style that is visually appealing. Place the text box in the center of the screen and adjust the font and size for maximum readability. Add a few effects to give the captions extra appeal. At this stage, you can also turn on background music. Decide whether to add it right now or at a later stage. But do not forget about the important step: exporting the finished file. Now, you need to try to improve the quality of your videos and consistently upload videos so that they gain views. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon to join me on the wave of my training programs. Analyze and repeat step by step with me. Grow and prosper. Let's make this world a better place together.